Students, I would like you to remember that our plates can either be made up of oceanic crust or a continental crust. It is easier to remember or understand that when we talk of boundary, that is actually the margin that separates the two plates. When there is a divergent boundary between two oceanic plates, an oceanic ridge will be formed. On the other hand, when there is a divergent boundary between two continental plates, a rift will be formed. The formation of a ridge and a rift in a divergent boundary can cause a volcanic activity and movement of the earth, or the so-called earthquake. When a convergent boundary is found between two continental plates this time, then a formation of mountain ranges will be found. No subduction will occur. However, earthquakes and volcanic activity will possibly occur. During the convergence of an oceanic plate and continental plate, the denser oceanic plate slides under the continental plate, and this process is called subduction. Geologic events such as the formation of volcanoes and trenches, as well as occurrence of earthquake, will take place because of this process. There can also be a convergent boundary between two oceanic plates, and their convergence will result to a tsunami. Transform fault boundaries are where two plates are sliding horizontally past one another. Most transform faults are found on the ocean floor. Although most transform faults are located within the ocean basins, there are a few that cut through the continental crust, and an example of this is the San Andreas Fault. Transform fault boundaries commonly offset active spreading ridges, producing zigzag plate margins, and are generally defined by shallow earthquake. Here is our summary for the different types of plate boundaries. The motion for divergent boundary is spreading, wherein the arrows should be pointing away from each other. The two plates are moving away from each other. And the effect is constructive, wherein oceanic lithosphere is created. And that is called the ridge or the rift. And there is a possibility for a volcanic activity to occur. Under convergent plate boundary, the motion is subduction, wherein oceanic lithosphere is being destroyed. But a trench is created, and there is also a volcanic activity, as you can see in the figure. And at the same time, whenever subduction occurs, especially between oceanic to oceanic plate or oceanic to oceanic crust, a tsunami will be experienced. And last, our transform plate boundary, the motion is lateral sliding, or the plates slide past with each other. And the effect is constructive, meaning the lithosphere is neither created nor destroyed. There is no major effect, and there is no volcanic activity that will be done. Okay, so there you have it. But before we end, you are now going to take your poster. Students, Please take note that you must get 75% or a score of 8 or higher in the process to move on to the next lesson. Good luck! You may now start answering your post-test. Good luck again! Here are the answers to our post-test. I know you did very well, and you all passed with flying colors. Your achievement is my achievement as well. Congratulations, my dear students! I know you did a job well done. So this is Teacher Mylene saying bye-bye for now. Bye! See you again in our next video lesson.